Good morning, everyone. We'll start with class 7, subject social studies. We'll start with history, chapter 1, what, where, and how. So, this is the second video of this chapter. In our previous video, we discussed about the cartographer and Indian history. Then we discussed about the various names of the Indian subcontinent. So today in this video we are going to discuss changing trends like political trend, religious and cultural trend and global trends. So let's get started. There were major changes in the political, social and economic spheres during the medieval period in India. So let us read more about them. First is political trend. So after the death of Harshvardhana in 647 century, his empire broke into several independent kingdoms. This political disintegration made the region very weak and disunited to face any foreign invasion. Disintegration means the process of breaking into fragments. Okay, so the time was ripe for a powerful invader to attack the country. One of the groups that became prominent as the warrior and ruler in this period was the Rajput. The name was derived from the Sanskrit term known as Rajputra. It was a designation often used for the elite cavalry soldiers. Many new groups also emerged during this time, which became political important. So next we have religious and cultural trends. So in this period there existed three major religions in India: Hinduism, Buddhism and Jainism. However, many subsects start sprouting in the most religion, which gradually led to more social divisions. New caste also emerged and caste system saw many changes. However, the upper caste still remained power. The position of women in the society deteriorated further as sati, child marriage and purdah system became prevalent. Uh, Purdah means a piece of clothes used by women to conceal their face. Okay. So some of the important development of this period was spread of Islam and the rise of Bhakti movement. The intermingling of Hindu and Muslim culture that we see today developed after the adoption of certain practices that were alike characteristic of the two religions. For example, Sufism, a distinct branch of believer in Islam, adopted music such as Qawwali and dance to connect with God. This period witnessed the emergence of Indian culture, which was a combination of Hindu and Islamic culture, cultural and customs, culture, tradition and customs. So the composite culture is something that we are proud of even today. Composite means made of different part or material. So many religion, language and dialects spoken today in India were developed during this period. Dialect means a form of language specific to a region. In 1318, Amir Khusro noted that a number of languages were spoken in different region of the country. It was during the medieval period that Urdu came to be recognized as a language. So other changes include the use of new technologies such as the Persian wheel in irrigation, the spinning wheel and the firearms. So next we have a global trend. So as a traveler explored far away lands, it made trade easier across a different part of the world. To begin with, India had trade link with the Arab, the Chinese and the Turks. Later on, India's wealth and prosperity, the lack of unity tempted many tribes and rulers from different parts of the world to conquer its territory and establish their rule. First the Turks and then the Mughals invaded India and established their kingdoms. The Mughal rule in India lasted for more than 2 centuries till British finally colonized India. So in South India, the powerful Chola king conquered a large part of the peninsula in the middle of the 9th century. The Chola Empire became rich partly because of its trade with China and Southeast Asia. This southern part of India served as a zone of transshipment between the Red Sea or the Persian Gulf and Southeast Asia. Trade contact further led to cultural contact. As a result, India came into contact with varied people, culture, and language. So, in this video, we discuss about the changing trend like political trends, global trends, and religion trends. Okay, so thank you.